Guys, we are behind the syllabus, behind the schedule. Yeah, because Chinese New Year and Christian school camp. Okay, Okay. We can do modulus polynomial. Modulus. Yeah, you can check the textbook I shared in WeChat group. Okay. Exponential log. Venn diagram should be okay. Maybe we don't use any textbook. We just learn some knowledge together. Okay. This is modulus. Okay. Yeah, we just learned. I'll write examples. For example, if we try polynomial, like what is polynomial? Examples. Hey? Isabella, example for polynomial.
Like an equation.
Oh, equation, you need equal. Polynomial, for example, just x squared, or we just use symbols. P1, 2x3, 6x squared, 8x plus 1. That's called a polynomial. Dimension. Is this one a polynomial? Dimension, is the second one polynomial?
No.
It is polynomial. Polynomial. Next one. Daniel Q. How about 5x minus 4? Is this a polynomial?
Yes.
Yes. P4. Edward, is this one polynomial? Edward, is this a polynomial? Yes. Okay, root x. Ivy, is this a polynomial?
Yes.
Oh, this is not polynomial we learned in IB. This is not polynomial we need in IB. It's not polynomial. Yeah, maybe in some other context, we say x to the power of half is polynomial, but not in IB. In IB, we say this is not polynomial. We need the power. Oh, this is x to the power of 0. The power whole number could be 0, 1, 2, 3, but not half or negative number. For example, this function x negative 2 or 1 over x squared, not polynomial. Okay, yeah. Maybe in the future, you know some other polynomial named after some New Zealand mathematician. This professor just passed away on. There's a Jones polynomial. Yeah, maybe this one a bit different from high school polynomial. But for high school, those are polynomial. Oh, up to here. This is not. The coefficient could be maybe a negative number, maybe thirds, maybe other part. But x power, only whole number. The other idea, polynomial, because you have x like unknown, or we can say x is variable in algebra, which means for any polynomial, you can calculate the value. You can calculate the value. For example, what's P1? 1. What's P2? 2. What's P3? 0. You can calculate the value. Qi Tian Xiaosheng, what's P11?
1.
Very good, because it's 2 plus 6 minus 8 plus 1, just 1. Jason Luo, what's P22? 2 square, 6 times 2.
4 minus 12,
minus 7, right?
yeah.
Okay, Katrina, what's P30?
-4.
Very good. So polynomial, if you tell, or if x value is given, polynomial just a number. Polynomial just a number. In this case, we can say polynomial is kinda some number. Polynomials. For numbers, we got plus, minus, times, divide. For polynomial, we can do the similar thing. For example, P1 plus P2 is too easy. It's basic algebra. We don't do it. P1 minus P2, it's still basic. Yeah, it's a year 10. P1 times P2. Yeah, that's quite annoying. Okay, quite annoying because you got so many terms. But it's really just algebra expand and simplify. So it's time consuming, but the idea okay. Now we try another one. Guys, how you do P1 divided by P2? How we do division? This division is called the long division. Very similar to here. Check. 254 divided by 7. We learn in primary school. 3 You minus, you got 4. 5. Oh, no, 6. 6. 2. Leo, do you have any question about this division?
No, it's
No.
said.
Yeah, this one okay. Now I need to ask you a question. What's the name, Leo, for this one? Name. 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 Leo, what's the name for those several?
Oh, I know the bottom one is called the answer.
Hmm? Oh, I mean the name for those numbers.
I don't know.
For example, this is called the divisor. 7 is divisor.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Isabella, what's the name for 36?
The quotient.
Very good, quotient. Katrina, name number 2. 2. What's the name for 2?
I don't know.
Oh, 7. What's the name for the 2?
Remainder.
Remainder. Yes. Remainder. 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 Of course, 254, we have a name called the dividend. Dividend. Eh? The other division, very similar to this one. For example, if we try divide P1 is 2x3, 6x squared, 8x plus 1. Divide by x squared minus 6x plus 1. You try to find something in the box. So after this one times this, you got 2x3. Katrina, what in the box? Times x squared give you 2x to the power 3.
2x.
Very good. 2x. 2x. Now we continue. Katrina, continue. What's here? Minus what? Plus what?
Minus 12x squared
Very good.
plus 2x.
Excellent. Katrina, continue. Because for long division, we need to minus the whole thing here. What do we have, Katrina?
Plus 18x squared
Good. Continue, please.
plus 10, minus 10x
Good.
plus 1.
1. Katrina, finish the question. What's the last number here? We need to times this equals here.
18.
Yes, 18. So 18x squared minus, Katrina, continue, please.
108x
Good.
plus
What's the
18.
final answer? Yeah. The final answer minus, you got. Finish it, please, Katrina.
98x.
Very good. Minus 17. Okay, this is called long division. This is called the long division. Okay, Isabella, any question about the long division?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, and the question here, name same. This is called the divisor. This is called the remainder. Okay, remainder. This one is called the quotient. And some observation. In the numbers, remainder always less than divisor. For polynomial, the power of remainder is always less than the power of divisor. Isabella, did school tell you the name? It's called the degree or it's called order of the polynomial.
Mm, I don't think my teacher said anything.
Okay, for example,
I think degree.
P1, the degree is 3. The highest power is 3. P2, the degree or the order is 2, the highest power. And P3, of course, the degree just 1. And P4, the degree is 0. Or sometimes we say order, same. So the first observation, remainder has lower degree than divisor. Yeah, otherwise you can continue your division. Okay. Leo, any question?
No.
No? Okay. Let's check more division. We try to make the question a little bit easier. Okay, because this number too big, 108. Okay. More division, for example, 2, we still use this P1, P1 divided by x minus 1, what's that? And the remainder is, this is quotient, quotient. If P1 divided by x plus 2, minus 2, we'll make it easier first. What's the quotient? Remainder. If P1 divided by divided by x plus 1, what's the quotient? What's the remainder? If you divide by a linear one, this degree just 1. That means remainder just a number. There's no x. No x. Yeah, okay. Guys, try to finish it. Division, use P1 divide. Yeah, we just do the division. Of course, there's something called a synetic or some division. We don't have to do that. What? Huh. Very good, Jason. Ting Meng, if you got any question from Venn diagram, message me.
Okay.
Yeah, but we learned Venn diagram during holiday. Oh, maybe last year. Okay. Second one. Wow. Okay, yeah. Cool. Guys, message me, Yeah. Okay. Divided by x plus 1. I just fix one of them. Should be something wrong. Oh, here, plus. 13. What? Guys, double check. I might got mistake because it's really messy here. Okay. Ting Meng here. This is minus. So you got 6 minus -4. We got 10x squared. So you guys got these three same? Yeah, this is the quotient. We need 10x because times here, you got 10x squared. So when you got the same,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, that's this division. But we can really rewrite it. Okay, we can really rewrite it. For example, if when we divide this, what number we tried? Probably 7, 3, 21, 5, 2. You can rewrite 247 equals 7 times 35 plus 2. So you can change division to multiplication. Yeah, there's some remainder. Okay, guys. Isabella, change the first one to multiplication. P1 equals,
X minus 1 times 2x squared plus 8x plus 1.
very good. Zoe, second one.
Oh, 2x squared plus 10x plus 12. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, times by x minus 2 plus 25. Okay.
Okay.
Elena, last one. Yeah, Elena cannot talk. Okay. We can make it like a formula. Px divided by dx. You got quotient and remainder. 听蒙 converted into multiplication. P equals
QD plus R.
normally we say dq plus r because we have some ice cream thing called dq.
Okay.
Normally we say dq, qd, qd, qd. Probably there's something also called qd. Okay. D times q plus r. Memorize this form. It's not very hard. You just carry out some division, you know this. P equals dq plus r. Also, you can do here. P over D equals Leo. Leo, continue. Plus R
R
over D.
over D.
Yes. This one very similar to something you learned in primary school. For example, 21 over 5, we can say 5 plus 1 over 5. Very similar. Okay. This formula. So it's about P divided by D, which is Q. Okay. Okay. So division okay, Okay. This is division and this form, Now. Hey. Let's try another one. Our P1x. This is P1x. Okay. P1x. What happened? Okay. P1x divided by x minus 2. Okay. X plus 2. What's the remainder? That's this question. What's the remainder? Everybody try. Okay. Okay. Let's have a look. I'll show you 3 ways for this question. We try 3 methods. First method, of course, you can still do this division. We did this question. $25? This is 25. Really? Oh. Okay. Remainder is 25. Double check. The other method. Yeah, the method pretty general. You can use maybe in other cases. Let's have a look. If you use this one, right, we have something called P equals dq plus r. So x plus 2 times q plus r. We know inside here should be 2x squared plus ax plus b. And because we divide by a linear, this order or degree just 1. So the remainder just a number. Oh, Leo, here is minus. Minus, minus. So negative, they all minus. Based on here, we got 2 ways. Katrina, which way will be easier? I mean, we got 2 ways. Do you know any method we can work out R?
No.
Hey, we got 2 ways out here. First way, you can just expand it. Oh, Isabella, why? It's always a number. Check here. Isabella, check here. Remainder degree always lower than divisor. For example, here is square. Here could be 1. Could be 1. Could be 0. So if you divide by a linear one, ax plus b, the remainder should be x plus 0. So always just a number. Okay, always just a number. If you divide by quadratics, the remainder could have some x. Okay. Up to here, we got 2 ways. One method, just expand. Expand it. We know this method not efficient, but we still need to practice. Guys, expand it. Two x 3 ax squared bx 4x squared 2ax 2b. I need to borrow some space here. Zoe, any question about this expanding? Expand and simplify. Okay. Now, guys, check if you can have some equation. If you can form some equations. Try to form some equations. Okay. if you compare both sides, this method called long division. Equating coefficient is called the equating coefficients because those numbers called coefficients. Yeah, we just equate both sides. So A equals 2, B equals -12, R equals 25. Okay. Okay, that's how we got R. Oh, we even got A and B. Oh. So the easy way, the third way. Jason Luo, just based on here, do you have the third way?
Yes.
Oh yeah, what was the method? Tingmeng said the long division is better. Yeah. Most cases, long division is better than equating coefficient. Jason, what's the third method?
You use the formula?
Oh, we have a very important formula. We just substitute the value of x. Substitute a value into x. The question will be much easier. Isabella, which value you substitute into x make the question much easier?
-2.
Very good. Guys, we substitute -2 into the whole thing. Leo, what in the brackets?
I don't know.
If you make x -2, what happened? Make x -2, what happened? You make x -2, what happened?
You can get a number.
We have 0. So the whole part disappear. Here. What's the value? -16. 25. 25. 25. 25. Yeah. This method, yeah, oh, the question just find the remainder. What's the remainder, Timon?
25.
Yeah. So this method long division, this method equating coefficient, this method got a name. So what's the name for this one?
Synthetic.
Oh, this method called the remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. Timon make a good name. Okay.
Wait, how did you get 25
Oh,
from remainder theorem?
oh, you substitute -2 into the whole thing. We copy this one. Explain. We substitute -2 into both sides, into x on both sides. If you substitute -2 into the whole thing, Isabella, what's the right hand side?
0.
Yeah, this part is 0, so you just have remainder. This is called the remainder theorem. Let's check one more here. For example, how we find the remainder here? Katrina, what value we put into x for this question?
1.
Very good. Because if you substitute 1, we know the other side only remainder left. If you substitute 1, 2, 6, just 1. Eh? Same. Remainder just 1. That's a remainder theorem. Edward, any question?
No.
Let's write out the remainder theorem. Polynomial px divided by oh yeah, you can like for example, if I gave you here for example, in this case, you can make x any number. We can say x equals, we just do original question. Check, we just do this old question. So you ask a good question. Yeah, we make x -2. We have r just 25. We can try any x value. For example, if x equals 0, what happened? If x equals 1, what happened? Hello guys, if x equals 0, what's the left-hand side? Leo.
The remainder.
Oh, if x equals 0, this side just 1. The other side 0 plus 2, 0 plus 0 plus b plus 25. If x equals 1, if you substitute other values, this b equals negative 12. A equals 2. Yeah, if you substitute different values, you can have different thing. Okay. This is called the remainder theorem. Let's check an easy one. Or let's check a very typical question in IB. Two x 3. Well, maybe I don't use this one. X3 plus ax squared plus bx plus 10 divide by x minus 1. Remainder is 23. Divide by x minus 2. Remainder is 16. What's A, B? Guys, have a try, huh? Hey, how we do this question? Hey, we use remainder theorem on. If you substitute x equals 1, (23) x equals 2. Guys, solve equation, huh? Simultaneous equation. Solve A and B. Okay. Guys, solve it, huh? Okay, Okay, understand this question? Leo, understand the question?
Yeah.
So polynomial divided by x minus a remainder PA. Okay, you start to a to make the whole thing 0. Okay, 第二段。第二段。哎。Yeah, that's what we just did. Okay, question A. Oh, our answer A equals 9. Three. Try this one. Remainder.
Son,
Yeah,
can I use any method?
yeah, any method.
Wait, Sam, are we oh yes, never mind.
Yeah, answer. Okay. This is the remainder. If you divide by quadratics, the remainder could be with some x on. Okay. Oh, 37 is coincidence. Not 60 minus 23.
Dr. Sam,
Yeah.
what if 37x minus 14 is larger than x squared minus 3x
Oh.
plus 2?
Not about the value, it's about the power. The degree is about the power. This is square. This is just 1. The power is lower. It's okay. That's for
Okay, thank
polynomial.
you.
Yeah, not for the value. Okay. Katrina, this question okay?
Yeah.
This is the answer. Let's check one question like a higher level. Higher level, Okay. Here. Polynomial px divide remainder 23 divide remainder 60. What's the remainder if you divide by this? Try this question. Try this question. How we do this question? Okay. How about this question, huh? Yes. The answer. We don't even know what is px. Answer still this. How we show the working, check, Okay, we have P equals dq plus R. Here, dq plus R. Hey, this Q, of course, this Q is depends on X. And this R, because we divide by quadratics, remainder could be AX plus B. Maybe we're back to this question later on because this one too hard. We check more remainder theorem. Here, okay. Move. Yeah, we're back to this question later on because for remainder theorem, this is the hard one. Let's check some IB questions from IB textbook. Okay. Yeah, this document. That's from IB book. Oh, not this one. Here. Yeah, more school use this one. Okay. Let's check anything about the remainder. Yo. Number 13. Yeah, we try 13 first. Guys, message me, huh? Thirteen, guys. Oh, this number pretty big, eh? This number really big. Okay. Oh, different. Sorry. Something got different answer. Let me have a check. I got different. I got this one. Okay. Yo. Okay. The remainder is a big one. 267,214. Okay. Next one. What's the meaning of factor? If remainder 0, factor. It's called a factor. For example, like this one. They told you factor, that means the whole thing divided by x minus 2, remainder equals 0. Divided by 3x plus 2, remainder again 0. If remainder 0, it's a factor, okay? If remainder 0, it's a factor.
Excuse me, Dr. Sam.
Yeah.
For question 13, if x is 2, then won't x minus 2 be 0? And like you can't divide something by 0?
Oh, it's like this. If you divide by x minus 2, we can change to here. D times Q plus R. We can change to multiplication. In the multiplication form, you can make x2. And if you make x2, this side just equals to 6, 7, 2, 1, 4. If you substitute into left-hand side, into x on left-hand side, the other side, 0 plus r. That's why we got the remainder.
Thank you.
Use the
I got it now.
multiplication form.
Yep, I got it.
Okay, try number 14. Number 14, they told you factor, which means you substitute value into x, you got 0. 4 cubed, 4 squared, 4a equals 0. The other one, the other one, we need a sub negative 2 into x. Okay. Hmm? You guys got different answer as me, okay? Okay. Guys, double check if you got same. Guys.
Wait, Sam,
Yeah.
why is b negative 32?
What's your answer?
I got negative 24.
Wait, Sam, the answers don't like match up
Oh, okay. I'll double check.
because for the like
Oh, really?
for 4a plus b, b would be a negative 24, I think.
Oh,
But then
yeah,
for
24.
negative
Eh?
2a plus
Oh,
b,
yeah, negative 24. Eh? Who got negative 24? Oh, Leo got negative 24. Good. Timon got negative 24. Isabella negative 24. Okay, good. Yeah, negative 24, correct. Okay, the other one. Number 10 now. Number 10.
Wait, Sam,
Yeah.
wouldn't it be negative 2a plus b equals negative 4?
Oh, it's negative 4?
yeah, I got
Yeah.
negative 4. But then if you do negative 4, b can't be.
Here, negative 8 plus 4 minus 2a plus b. Yeah, positive 4, positive 4. Try number 10. Yeah. Wow, this one got fractions, eh? Zero. Okay, solve equation. Solve equation. Finish the question. Wait, I just use calculator. Yeah. Number 9. Divide. Oh, they told you factor. Long division. Long division, guys. Divide, huh? X squared. Six x squared plus 3x negative 20x minus 10. Minus 10. So fully factorize. Fully factorize, huh? Well, that's fully factorized, huh? This worksheet could be homework, but just from it's called the Hayes or something textbook. Yeah, I shared some part of the textbook in the Google Drive. Okay, take care, guys. Try some homework.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sam.
Okay, bye.